The real estate industry has always been about timing, location, and the ability to spot opportunities before anyone else. But in today's fast-paced world, there's one more factor that separates successful real estate professionals from the rest: technology. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way real estate agents and investors operate, making tasks faster, decisions smarter, and profits higher. Whether you're an agent looking to close more deals or an investor searching for the best opportunities, AI tools are now an essential part of the game. But with so many AI-powered platforms available, which ones actually make a difference? Which tools can save you time, help you analyze the market, and bring in more leads? This deep dive into the best AI tools for real estate professionals will show you exactly what you need to stay ahead of the competition. 1. ChatGapt and AI chatbots, your personal assistant for client communication. Clients expect quick, professional responses at all times. But as a busy real estate agent or investor, responding to every inquiry immediately is nearly impossible. That's where AI chatbots come in. ChatGapt, along with tools like Tidio, Drift, and Freshcat, can handle customer inquiries 24/7. These AI-powered chatbots can answer common questions, schedule property viewings, and even provide details about listings. Imagine a potential buyer visits your website at midnight, looking for information about a property. Instead of waiting until morning, they get instant responses from an AI chatbot, increasing the chances of securing a deal. For investors, AI chatbots can help analyze rental inquiries, answer questions about ROI, and even provide automated investment advice. Best AI chatbots for real estate. Tidio automates responses and integrates with websites and social media. Drift, AI-powered chat and email automation. Freshcat, personalized customer engagement with AI-driven replies. AI chatbots are no longer just an option, they're a necessity for real estate professionals who want to maintain a strong online presence. 2. Zillow's AI and Redfin estimate property valuation made easy. Knowing the value of a property is crucial for both agents and investors. In the past, estimating property values required manual research, market comparisons, and a lot of experience. Today, AI can provide highly accurate property valuations within seconds. Zillow's AI-powered Zestimate is one of the most advanced tools available. It analyzes millions of data points, including recent sales, local trends, and property details, to estimate home values with impressive accuracy. Redfin Estimate works similarly, offering AI-generated property values based on real-time market data. Investors can use these tools to quickly assess potential deals without spending hours researching. These AI-powered valuation tools don't just save time, they provide an edge in a highly competitive market. 3. Reonomy, AI-driven commercial real estate data for real estate investors focused on commercial properties. Reonomy is a game changer. Reonomy uses AI to analyze commercial real estate markets, identifying trends, ownership records, and potential investment opportunities. Investors can use it to find off-market deals, analyze property histories, and even predict future property values. By leveraging AI-powered data analytics, Reonomy helps investors make smarter decisions and uncover opportunities that others might miss. 4. Compass AI smart tools for real estate agents. Real estate agents who want to streamline their workflow should look into Compass AI. Compass uses artificial intelligence to help agents market properties, find the right buyers, and manage transactions more efficiently. The platform includes AI-driven pricing tools, predictive analytics, and even automated marketing solutions. One of its standout features is the AI-powered recommendation engine, which suggests listings to potential buyers based on their preferences and search history. This means agents can match clients with the perfect home faster than ever before. 5. RaiseTB.ai, AI-powered image recognition for listings. Real estate listings with high-quality photos attract more buyers, but manually sorting and tagging images can be time-consuming. RaiseTB.ai is an AI tool that automates image recognition for real estate listings. It can automatically categorize photos, tag them based on room type, and even analyze the visual appeal of a property. For agents, this means faster, more accurate listings. For investors, it provides a quick way to assess property conditions and identify key features from images alone. 6. HouseCanary, AI-powered real estate market analysis. If you want deep insights into the real estate market, HouseCanary is a must-have tool. HouseCanary uses AI and machine learning to analyze housing trends, price forecasts, and market risks. Investors can use it to determine the best time to buy or sell, while agents can leverage its data to advise clients with confidence. With predictive analytics, House Canary can even forecast home values up to 3 years into the future, a powerful advantage in the real estate industry. The future of AI in real estate. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept, it's here, and it's revolutionizing the real estate industry. From AI-powered chatbots that handle client inquiries to predictive analytics that forecast market trends, these tools are transforming the way real estate professionals work. Agents who embrace AI will close deals faster, attract more clients, and stay ahead of the competition. Investors who use AI-driven insights will find better opportunities, minimize risks, and maximize profits. The real estate landscape is changing rapidly, and those who leverage AI will have a clear advantage.